In this video, we're going to show you how to use AI to get usable data out of your credit card statements and how to create a simple pivot table in numbers and even a monthly expense report in just a few key strokes. Credit card and bank statement transaction descriptions are usually inconsistent and hard to decipher. AI can extract those transactions and create good, clear, and accurate vendor or payee names much faster than humans. Having good data from the beginning is critical to success in anything else you do in bookkeeping. Let's upload PDF statements into the AI tool called Badbank. It preconditions data to create files that have accurately captured every transaction, standardized payee names, and reconciled all the statements. Now we download and open the output folder. There are many useful files in this folder, but for this tutorial, we open the top-level CSV file in numbers. The transaction data is now structured in a manner where we can really use it for reporting and analysis. We can see that the AI has added a column called payee with a clear name for each transaction. There are reconciliation details for each monthly statement in the file, so we know that all the transactions have been accounted for by the AI. Here's the reconciliation information for the second month. We can see how the AI has used consistent payee names across all the month's transactions. And here's the reconciliation information for the third monthly statement. Now I want to create expense reports with this data, but I don't need the reconciliation data in those reports. So I sort my data by the last column in this spreadsheet, the fit ID, because I know that only the rows with actual transactions have a fit ID. When I sort, I can see that all the reconciliation data is still here, but because of my sorting, they have been moved to the bottom of the data range. Since Numbers uses all the rows of data in a sheet for a pivot table, I will simply select these rows and delete them. I can always go back to the original sheet if I want to see that reconciliation information again. So now let's build a simple pivot table report by simply clicking on the pivot table icon and choosing Amount and Payee. Here's a clean categorized pivot table ready for tax prep, reporting, or to send to a CPA. Since I have 3 months of data, I might also want to see a report with months as the columns. So I simply select the statement date and Numbers will create this nice monthly view of the expenses. I can add whatever titles I want to my report and format these columns with a currency format by using the format options, which come up by selecting the paintbrush in the upper right-hand corner. With AI, we were able to quickly extract data from financial statements and make it more useful. And we created pivot table reports in Numbers in minutes. We hope you enjoyed this video and give it a like. Subscribe to our channel now to stay updated on upcoming AI accounting tutorials that will transform how you handle your finances. And to do what you saw today, use the link in the description below to sign up for free at Badbank AI.